a great opportunity this evening to experience the workshop of Jowyn Goh, creating vision board. And what I loved the most was the energy in the room. The energy in the room during creation of everybody's workshop was really so high, so engaging, that I simply enjoyed it. Even for the person like me who has created multiple vision boards throughout the years, and it was my first experience to actually do a physical one, as I used to do many digital ones previously. It was a wonderful experience to sit together in a group of teams, and get inspired from each other's vision boards, looking at what others are doing and saying, oh, by the way, I would love to do that as well. The workshop is also very well suited for working professionals, for entrepreneurs, to envision their professional goals or even to create a team goals together. So it's a lovely opportunity to sit down and create, to see what is your ideal career and how can you expand your vision beyond what your daily tasks are and create a bigger and better one.
We go and really think about it, and we draw it up, use the picture to represent of it, and then paste it on a board. We become more clearer that what we want to do, what we want to achieve in short term and long term.
So what's the science behind it? We're talking about vision boards. How come some dreams come true? And if we look at it, right, it's about visualization. Looking at images on a vision board, according to psychologists, can prime certain thoughts, emotions, and behaviors to drive you towards that vision.
The more you communicate your vision, the more it will come true for you.
What you visualize turns into reality.
Create your vision!